Technology among its use come the misuse, and it is the user responsibility to use technology with
with mobile phones by using different apps. Helping people in their needs most consider as their moral duties. But nowadays, friends avoid mobile and spend less time with phone because we face so many problems by using mobile. For example, lack of security and privacy, distance from loved ones, during driving, health problems, waste of time, sleep